Hello good people. Welcome to the Review Plus. In this video, we will try to list best 5 water filters. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Apex MR1050. It also filters cryptosporidium, and Giardia cysts. All the necessary hardware is included for easy do-it-yourself installation. By using an Apex countertop alkaline water filter, buying bottled water for daily home consumption gets expensive. Owning your own bottleless kitchen water dispenser can not only save you money. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Berkey BK4X2BB. Purifies up to 3.5 gallons per hour. Filter life, up to 3,000 gallons per filter element. Holding capacity, 2.1 gallons. Cleanable, self-sterilizing filters. High-grade 304 stainless steel. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. AquaTrue Countertop Water Filter. Studies continue to pour in regarding toxins, cancer-linked carcinogens and other contaminants discovered in our tap water. Drug residues are commonly found in municipal drinking water. Takes less than 3 minutes to set up. The planet and long-term savings with a true RO system. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. HomeMaster HMF3 FEC. Multi-gradient density replaceable sediment filter produces finer filtration. Excellent purification, removes up to 95% of iron, chemicals and other contaminants that create foul tastes and odors. Oversized filters improve flow rate and reduce maintenance frequency. Sulfur problems up to 3 ppm combined contaminant load. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Aquasana Rhino. High performance water filtration for healthy water in your entire home. Synthetic chemicals that can cause damage and excessive drying. Chlorine can evaporate in shower steam. Improve your indoor air quality with cleaner. Item may ship in more than one box and may arrive separately. Couplings included for 0.75-inch pipe fittings. Please check the description for details and best price.